A quick explanation of your induction cooktop. Here in all of its glory is our induction cooktop, and unlike other cooktops, the induction is a bit unique. Instead of using a traditional heating element like a cal rod, as you would see here, or a radiant element like you would see here, the induction uses a magnetic coil, like this, which essentially is just copper wire that's been wound together. The only downfall of the induction cooktop is that it requires your cookware to be magnetic. You see, how it works is that the electromagnet underneath the glass pulses the magnetic fields back and forth, essentially vibrating the molecules in your pan very rapidly and causing your pan or your cookware to actually become the source of heat. Despite the need for magnetic cookware, the induction cooktop truly is the creme de la creme of cooktops. We can see here that I take a dollar bill, place it between the cooktop and the pan, and nothing is going to happen to that dollar bill. The glass actually only gets as hot as the pan does, which is nowhere near hot enough to actually burn the bill. Any other style cooktop, and that dollar would have been on fire real quick. The induction cooktop is really just made from three things: an electromagnetic coil, a thermistor to monitor the glass temperature as well as the coil, and a control board to drive the coil. When it comes to speed, the induction cooktop is unmatched. It'll boil a pot of water faster than any other style cooktop on the market today. When it comes to efficiency, it's also unmatched. The induction cooktop is going to come in somewhere along the range of 90% efficient, meaning that for every dollar you spend on operating this cooktop, 90 cents of it actually goes into the cookware as heat. This also means that the induction cooktop is up to 10% more efficient than other style electric cooktops and up to 3 times more efficient than gas.